What you doing, Charlie? Baby got yeah. Mommy get baby, okay. What are you doing with baby? You wipe a poopy bum? Was there poo poo in the diaper? Oopsie. Baby fall? You want to put baby on the floor instead?
No.
Okay, no. Where does poo poo go?
Correct.
In the toilet, that's right. Poo poo goes in the toilet. Where's the new diaper? You have a new diaper for baby? A clean diaper?
No.
Some water? What'd you say? Use your words. Please, water. Good girl. You want to see you? Okay. Here, there's the water. After, I'll show you after. Wash your baby. Oh, baby got a poopy bum. Poo poo. And one more. Okay.
Pee-pee. Be careful.
Be careful. Don't let the baby fall. Yeah.
Be careful.
Need some lotion for the baby bum? Is the baby gonna cry? You hug a baby? Oh, good hugging the baby.
Water first.
Wipe a face?
Yes. Oh.
Oh.
So.
Can you reach it?
Let me do it.
Mommy do it. Charlie do it?
See.
You want to see. In a minute. Mommy get soap or Charlie get soap?
I see. Beep. Mommy.
Okay, get soap.
So mommy do it. Mommy do it. Mommy do it.
You say thank you to Mommy for getting the soap?
I see.
There's your baby. There's your baby.
I see. Well.
You want to get a diaper for your baby? Go put that. Oh, baby needs a hug. Uh-oh, poor baby. Baby bump ahead. Oh no. Does baby need a Band-Aid?
Yeah. Budget?
Yeah, Band-Aids. How about a pony Band-Aid? A little horsey. Yeah, good one. Baby got a bump on the head. Put a Band-Aid on the head.
Sure.
Yeah, close the doors. What are you doing? Bring the Band-Aids.
The baby bum.
That's baby bum cream, you're right. That's baby bum cream, you're right. You want down? That's messy bum cream. I'm not going to give you that one. Here, have baby lotion for bum. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Go like this. Let me give you lotion.
Wait, Mommy.
Where's the medicine?
The chair.
Mm-hmm. What is everything? That's soap.
Soap. Up there.
Up there, that's right.
Oh.
Baby needs a Band-Aid.
Open.
Yeah, Mommy help open. You're right. Charlie needs help open. There's some Band-Aids in there. Mommy help open. What'd you say?
No.
What'd you say? You say thank you. Oopsies. You say thank you, Mommy. Okay, close the doors. Close.
Shop.
Yeah. Close the doors.
Return.
Okay, say bye-bye, bye-bye closet. Close the doors.
You need that.
Good girl.
Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Do it.
Charlotte, do it. You want a new cloth?
No, we need this.
Okay, you need this. Okay. More lotion for the baby bum? Okay. Go put it on the baby's bum. Careful. That's right.
Oh, will I more?
You can have more after you put some on the baby bum. Good, being careful. Good, putting lotion on the baby bum.
Want more?
Does baby want more lotion? Okay. Yes, must be careful.
Careful.
Be careful. That's right. Good girl.
Oh, big.
Lots of it. Good job. Now go back to the baby, but be careful. Okay. Want me to help?
Mommy. Don't. Be careful. Like that, Mommy.
What's the toilet? Come, where's your baby? Where's the lotion? Good girl. Is that a nice baby? Is that a good baby?
Pen, toes. Pan, pan, pan,
Okay, all done.